first improvement comes when using the intermediate stock management during simulation. If you try to restart your simulation and there isn't anything to do because all of the material removal is up to date, you will receive a clear message stating that. Another improvement is the addition of a paused simulation message in the alarm list when stopping a program simulation. This allows you to navigate throughout your program as you wish, and then by clicking on the pause message, ANSI Sim will bring you back to your current block where you can resume your simulation. Also, during a pause simulation, you have a clear status in the information window stating that the simulation is only partially complete. If you generate documentation at this point, in the checklist page of the PDF file, you will see a warning stating that the simulation wasn't fully or correctly executed. Utilizing these new features allows you to always be well informed of the exact status of your simulation.